my channel, and today we have a special guest, my Tito.
Am I that special?
Yes.
Okay. Hi,
And
everybody.
he's going to help us remove this. This one I got too excited that I opened it. So let's open it again.
We're gonna open it. And where did you buy this one?
In Fry Below in Arizona. Can you open this?
It's already open. So we're gonna open it.
Oh no, we have to open
Which
this
one?
one.
I don't know how to
There's a
open
house.
it.
There's a house.
Okay, so I have to open this one.
Yeah.
I have to remove the plastics.
And then we just push the door.
Maybe we need something. No, don't worry. I can open it.
And we
Hard.
have a cup of water
Okay.
for our
Here's
little
for
blue
you.
doll.
Mm.
Now let's open this.
Oops.
We have
And what's
this.
inside it?
We
What is
only
this?
open-
Oh, so this is the
Okay. So what
What's
can
this?
we get?
Instructions?
Oh
Okay, so this is the
my
instructions.
gosh!
So what are you gonna do?
Look at
It's
this, I
like
got stickers. Now
Oh.
it tells us to water it. Let's
okay.
water it now.
Let's
So
try
we
it
have
now.
a cup of water right now. So now
This is
we're
the one
going
that
to
you have
use
now,
this.
right?
Yeah, I do.
Alana. And now we're going to see who
Who are we going to get?
you're gonna get. Okay.
Let's pour the water.
Ooh, I want to try it.
Oh! It's going
Hurry up.
It's going out. It's going out. It's going out.
No, what is that? Wait. Let us see. Maybe this one.
Oh, it's coming out.
Carmi. Maybe this is Carmi. Carmi is coming out.
I think so. Let's see.
Carmi.
I think so, Carmi.
Oh, wait, it's coming. Oh, wait, yeah.
Oh, yes! It's more water.
Water, put water.
No.
I think that's it.
This is
I told you, it's Carmi.
Carmi! Oh my gosh. Let's pull her hair up. Nothing happens.
You can pick
Oh.
out. Oops.
This is Carmi.
Carmelita?
No, she's not. This is Carmi, the flower one, instead of the pineapple one.
And what's
Now-
inside?
Now we got her. She's so pretty, isn't she? She came out in our pot.
Oh, cute.
Let's water her again, because she might be thirsty out of her head. Now we're going to open her house. Let's see. Wow, her house is nice and neat.
Ooh.
Now let's open the first one. Let's open this one. Oh, I got a little flower as a buddy.
And what else?
Now we're going to open her closet. Woohoo. Wow!
Ooh.
This is her
Ano mo,
top.
tutan?
This is her pants.
Pants ta. Tapos,
And these
her shoes.
are her little white shoes. Not yet. Yep. Looking out. Worse. It also has a handle so you can carry it. And this one for your neck. Now we have some stickers.
Did I get the sticker?
Now let's remove it. This sticker is supposed to from the mirror.
Yeah.
This mirror. Now this is what I got. Does she look similar like me? I'm more tanner and she's more darker. A little bit. Now this is the finished project. She has a little purse. She has makeup on herself. And white shoes. And some shorts. And a cute dress. It's a shirt I think it's a dress. And we have another one like this, but it's not like this. He's much different. It's a pineapple. This next one, we're going to open the squishies. Now, look at this. So squishy, wobbly. Now, let's dump it out. Wow. So cool. They're so squishy. And this is Mochi. We gotta eat it. So there's 3 dinosaurs, 3 penguins, 3 hippopotamus, and 3 hedgehogs. And guess what are these names? These are 2 pandas. Guess it right? It's a bunny. And let's squish it. Squish. You might think this is toys, but it's always serious. A popsicle. And some of this you might know. Ketchup, tea, popcorn, and cake. Another cake. And sushi. And another sushis, and a sandwich, biscuit, watermelon, carrot, bananas, and a little cup with ice cream, pizza, donut, pineapple, and this one I don't know, Coca-Cola, cake, and taco. Guys, what's your favorite restaurant? Taco Bell, McDonald's, any one you like? Just tell me in the comments. Because I like Taco Bell and In-N-Out Burger. Now these I see you on my next video, and a shout out to my titos. Next time video. Bye! I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye bye. Mwah! Mwah. And a shout out next time.